Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious avocado juice. First, gather your ingredients: ripe avocados, your preferred milk, a sweetener like honey or sugar, and some ice. Make sure your avocados are perfectly ripe, soft to the touch but not overly mushy. Also, have your blender and measuring cups ready for a smooth process. Now, let's get blending. Carefully scoop the creamy avocado flesh into your blender. Next, pour in your chosen milk, add your sweetener to taste, and toss in a few ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend on high speed. Keep blending until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy with no lumps remaining. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, imagine enjoying your fresh avocado juice with some background tunes. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once blended, give your avocado juice a quick taste. This is your chance to customize it. If you prefer it sweeter, add a bit more honey or sugar. For a thinner consistency, simply add a splash more milk. If it's not cold enough, toss in a few extra ice cubes. Pour into glasses and enjoy your fresh, homemade juice right away.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.